Hi, it's Peep and Reggie here. So we've been having really cold winds and lots of slugs, and the squash haven't been growing that well. They're growing, but you know, they're finding it hard with this wind. So we decided to put some trampoline netting up for protection. So we're getting these very cold northerly winds, and the squash, even though they're growing, they should be growing quicker. So we've decided where the northerly wind comes from, we're going to put a windbreak using trampoline net. So we're putting some stakes in. Mark's putting some wire up. Why are you putting the wire up? To support. Yeah, so we can drape it over. And this is where the northerly wind comes from. Usually it's westerly, which is not cold, but this wind is really affecting the growth of things. So that's our onions at the moment. We call that the spike. It's got a very pointy end. It makes a hole for our stake. Mark's putting a side stake on for strength. That's the screw to hold it in place. This is the potatoes growing very well. And the onions looking pretty good.
What's going in after the onions?
What did you think we should put in?
Carrots, beetroot.
Carrots and French beans. That's what we're going to, once the onions are up. They're looking pretty healthy. These are late red onions, so they're far behind these. These were winter onions. And then here I've got some occas. Mark calls them a slug trap, but I do like them. Potatoes, all main crop. And they're actually looking pretty good. So we've been using grass to go on top of the bed to help with depth, purely because compost has been very expensive and it doesn't go very far. I mean, these are long beds. It's about 13 meters these, so yeah, compost would have been very expensive. So we've got the wire up. So we've taken one trampoline net and hung it on the wire. It will just give a bit of a windbreak to the squash and they can establish themselves. Once they're established, I can take it down. But the vegetables are really suffering with all these cold winds. They don't know if it's spring, autumn, definitely not summer. Yeah, simple idea to give your any vegetables. Doesn't have to be squash. For us it's squash, but it could be any vegetable.